Coach Tommy Tuberville. Yes, and you also got to throw out the first pitch. What was that like, Coach?
Well, a little nervous. It's a little different to be on a mound trying to throw it, to a catcher up there and you hadn't thrown a ball. So it was fun though. I enjoyed it. It's a great stadium, beautiful night to play baseball.
All right, practice gets underway soon, another season, but you're the new man on the block. Texas Tech known for throwing the football. Will they continue to throw it?
Oh yeah, we're going to throw it. We're going to be fun to watch. We just got to get our defense to the same level that it needs to be competitive in the Big 12. But I came to win championships, and we've got a great opportunity. We just got to do it the right way. And we've got record season ticket sales. Interest is up. We've got tickets left. Buy your tickets. We just look forward to the season coming up.
Yeah, exactly. SMU opens on Sunday afternoon in Lubbock. That should be a good game. Record season ticket sales, so still tickets available. What about the quarterback? You got Potts and you got Sheffield. When are you going to make that decision?
Well, it'll be a while. We got to go through a couple of weeks of practice. Both got injured in spring practice, so I don't know a lot about them yet. But I'm looking for a guy to make good decisions. Both are good young men. They know how to play quarterback, but we'll pick somebody and go with them and see what happens.
There we go. Coach, good seeing you.
Thank you.
Best of luck this season.